The SensorPush. Hello everyone, welcome to Brian Unboxed. This is the SensorPush, a temperature and humidity monitoring system. This has many practical uses for using inside the home, for better health, businesses, preserving instruments, art, and monitoring pet living environments. The company sent this out for me to review. I have the link in the description below for the product. If you are new to my channel, don't forget to hit that subscribe button so you don't miss out on future videos, and give it a thumbs up as well. So let's take a look. This is a SensorPush Wi-Fi gateway, which is needed if you want to access the sensors remotely. These are the smart sensors for the temperature and humidity. The gateway comes with a manual and power adapter. The smart sensors come with a manual also, and a 3M mounting adhesive. The smart sensors can monitor temperature and humidity as mentioned earlier. It can be used in many situations. This uses Bluetooth 4.0 technology and can work as a standalone unit without the gateway, with a range of about 100 meters. It is monitored via an app and is compatible with iOS and Android. The sensors are very small and has a matte finish. It takes a CR2477 battery and can be accessed by using a credit card or a flat screwdriver to separate the back. Depending on usage, it can last anywhere from 1 to 2 years. The sensor is about 1.5 inches all around and less than 1 inch in thickness. The Wi-Fi gateway is an add-on unit if you want the ability to access the sensors remotely. This works with standard Wi-Fi and also has Bluetooth 4.0 technology. It is monitored via the app as well, and it's compatible with iOS and Android. The gateway is fairly small. On the side you have the antenna, and on the front you will have LEDs for status. This can be used wirelessly or plugged into an Ethernet port. The back has an Ethernet port and power input. The bottom has some rubber feet to give it stability. It's less than 4.5 inches all around, and less than 1 inch in thickness. To begin the setup, download the SensorPush app. Launch the app and click on Add Device on the upper right. We will begin by adding the sensors. Click the Add Sensors and have the sensor close to your device so it can get paired and recognized. The on-screen prompt will verify the status. You will receive a prompt for location settings. Once you have chosen your options, you can then access the device details. Here you can modify the sensor name along with alert settings. I will name the first sensor Sensor 1. On the main dashboard, the sensor will now appear. I'll add the second sensor. Same procedure. Add device, choose sensor, and hold it near your device so it can get paired. Once it's paired, you'll have the options to modify the name. I'll name this sensor Sensor 2. Now on the main dashboards we have two sensors. Clicking on a particular sensor, you are able to drill down. You can view hourly, day, week, month, and year values. The sensor can store up to 20 days of data if it hasn't synced with your device. The bottom also has a summary of the sensor. The configure option will allow you to change the name, toggle alert settings, calibrate, reset, and delete the sensor. Adding the gateway. Choose Add Device and select Add Gateway. Hold the gateway near your device so it can pair. It will prompt you to enter an email for account creation. Once your account is created, you have two options for your gateway. You can connect it wired to an Ethernet port, which I have done, or you can select your Wi-Fi connection on the list below. On the right, you see that it's now connected and I'm using the wired connection. On the main screen of the dashboard, the gateway will appear along with the other sensors that have been paired. Clicking on the gateway, you are able to modify the name, configure it, and remove it. So now the sensors can be accessed remotely if you decide to use the gateway. The SensorPush temperature and humidity sensors. This system is great. It's very easy to install and the interface has a nice look. It gives you the options of monitoring remotely by adding a Wi-Fi gateway. This can be used in so many different applications, from monitoring your home and business environment to preserving art and instruments. If you are in the market for a temperature and humidity sensor, check out the SensorPush. If you liked my video, go ahead and hit that like button, and if you haven't subscribed yet, hit that subscribe button as well. Until next time, this is Brian Unboxed. Take care, everyone.